Today at Secret Super Chef, I'm going to show some home remedies for steam inhalation. This pandemic, this weather change calls for some home remedies. I always follow these and they are really very helpful. I hope you'll also benefit from them. Have used simple home ingredients that are easily available at home, and now they can easily be taken from Amazon too. Let's begin with the first one. Heat a griddle and put 1 tablespoon carom seeds or ajwain seeds. You can increase or decrease the quantity as per your need. To the griddle, now I am going to add some garlic pods, say around 5 to 6. Roughly crush them using a mortar and pestle. Do not discard the skin. I am also adding few garlic peels. You can also add few onion peels. Now on a very slow flame, roast everything while taking the inhalation. All the ingredients that we have used will release their own aroma and their flavor, which in turn will benefit us with stuffy nose, a heavy head, and will give relief with sinus too. Try to inhale slowly, taking deep breaths. You will instantly feel the difference when the steam goes into your nostrils. Deep inhalation is the key here, but remember, garlic gets very strong. So inhale as much as you can take it. All my ingredients have turned golden brown in color. While our ingredients are still hot, transfer them in a muslin cloth or an old handkerchief. Here I've taken an old handkerchief where I'm going to put all the ingredients in the middle and try to make a small potli or a package. Secure it tightly so that our ingredients do not fall from it. Now just roll it tightly and tie the knots and secure it thoroughly. While this is still hot, inhale this, and you can even apply this hot under your eyes, behind your ears, on your temple areas. It will give you a very good relief. If the ingredients are not burnt completely, you can reheat the same and again use it. Let's begin with the second inhalation tip. Here you see our menthol crystals, or we easily call them pudine ke phool. Menthol, as you all know, is very useful when you have cold and cough or sinus headaches. But remember, these crystals are highly concentrated, so you don't need to put a lot of it. Maybe just a pinch, that is a chutki of it, for one-time use. Can you see these crystals? They're really amazing. Once you remove them from their packet, you can smell them. You can even feel the oil that they will release. These are easily available on Amazon. I got it from an Ayurvedic shop, or as you call it, the Dawa Saas ka shop. Now how do we use this? Boil a pot of water, and when it's boiled, add a very small piece of the menthol crystal in it and cover it. After 5 minutes, grab your towel, cover the pot, slowly remove the lid and try to take the steam inhalation. Remember, this is also very strong, so take it as much as you can bear. I use a very tiny piece for 1 pot of water and one-time steam inhalation. After a 5 to 7 minutes inhalation, you will feel so relaxed and relieved. Your nostrils will open, the blockage will go, and you'll really feel good. You can also use thymol crystals or ajwain ke phool instead of menthol. Hope you will benefit from this video, but remember to take the inhalation as much as your body can take it. If you like our tips and recipes, do subscribe to our channel so you do not miss our latest updates. Thank you.